So next one is the third one property is the particles of matter have space between them. So I already explained in the first one, the particles of matter is made up of an the matter is made up of particles. So in that activity also we have to be add the sugar into the, or it may be salt into the water, so that is having the made by the particles. So here also they have given the same activity, the particles of matter have space between them. So here also take some water in a beaker and note its level. Same activity they have been repeated, because so when we add the salt and the sugar into the water means, I already told that when arrangement of the molecules in the liquid state, that will be loosely in manner. So when the solid state, that will be dissolve in the water means, that will be takes up the space in the liquid. So take some water in a beaker and note its level. Dissolve some salt or sugar in it with the help of a glass rod. The salt dissolves in the water, but the level of water does not change. So this is because the particles of salt get into the space between the particles of water. So here you just note down the last point. So why the salt, or it may be sugar particles, that will be a gets dissolved into the water means, the particles of salt, or it may be a sugar, get into the space between the particles of water. So I already told that one, liquid state, in a liquid state the arrangement of an molecules will be a loosely in manner. So that's why this one solid state of an sugar and salts, that will be dissolved in a water, and that will be filled up the space or gaps between the molecules in the water. ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ವಾಟರ್ನ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂಥ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ಸ್ನ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂಥ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ಸ್ನ ಈ ಸಾಲ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಶುಗರ್ ಫಿಲಪ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಆ ಒಂದು ವಾಟರ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ಫಿಲಪ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ವಾಟರ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ರೈಸ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ಸೊ ಥ್ರೂ ದಿಸ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಕನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ದಟ್ ದ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದೆಮ್. So dear children, in a next class I will continue the next one concept, or it may be so next one properties. So next one property, that is particles of matter attract each other, and then so particles of matter continuously moving. So states of matter we will discuss in a next class. So you have any questions or doubts regarding this concept means, you just ask the questions. Okay, along with the textbook only, you have to be read yourself and make it as the point notes in a rough notebook. And afterwards, after the finishing of this lesson, I will give the notes. So you just keep it as one of the point notebook for the science. Okay.